Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you some things that not many people talk about. How to set up Linux MAN pages in Spanish. Whether you're a Spanish speaker who feels more comfortable reading documentation in your native language, or you're learning Spanish and want to practice with the real technical content, this video is for you. And the best part, it only takes few commands. Let's go. First, let's quickly cover what MAN pages actually are. Because if you are new to Linux, this may be your new best friend. MAN stands for manual. It's the built-in documentation system of Linux. Almost every command has his own MAN page, and you access it like this. MAN ls, for example. Enter. You get the full manual right in your terminal, completely offline. No internet needed and written directly by the developers. That means it's often more precise than anything you will find in a forum. Let's try a few more. Another example, MAN CP. CP stands for copy. Now by default, MAN pages shows up in your system language, which is often English, but today we are going to change that to Spanish. Before we switch the language, let me quickly talk you about the structure of a MAN page, so you know what to look for, whether it's in English or Spanish. Every MAN page is divided into sections. Name is a short description of the command. Synopsis, command, syntax and options. Description, detailed explanation. Options, all flags in detail. Examples, practical use examples. And see also related commands. And here is how you navigate inside an MAN page. Space/F, scroll on the page forward. B, scroll back. /keyword, search for a term. N-capital N, it's next in previous search result. G and capital G, jump to beginning or end. And Q is for quit. Alright, now the main part. Let's switch MAN pages to Spanish language. The first stop is we check what's already on your system. First, let's see which language package are already installed. We use the command find/user/share/man space -name and then MAN. Now we can see all the pages what we have. If you don't see a Spanish folder like ES, don't worry, we'll install it right now. The second step is install the Spanish language pack first. We use the sudo apt-get install language pack IS for Spanish. That makes you sure your system actually support the Spanish local. Without this, the Spanish MAN pages might not display correctly. In the description you will find a PDF page where you can take all the commands, all the orders what I give you now. You must not write this here from the screen, just go in the PDF page, that's for free, and you find all the commands what you need. Now step 3. We install the Spanish MAN pages. You see the command, then you press enter. I don't make this because I have already done. This will give you the Spanish translation of the most common Linux MAN pages. Step number 5. Now there we are two ways to do this permanently. I prefer to make the command here echo export language because that is very easy and you can find later in your bash rc and you can check this. We go now to the bash rc, and I'm scrolling down, and you can see here we have export the language package. There is one important thing: not every MAN page has a Spanish translation yet. If you are open a main page and it still shows in English, that just means the translation isn't available for this specific command. You can always force the English with the command what you see here on the screen. That means if you not have enough information in the Spanish translation, then maybe you check up also the English. And that's it. You know now how to install Spanish MAN pages on your Linux system, switch MAN pages to Spanish temporarily or permanently, and all the other language packages too, of course. Navigate in MAN pages like a pro and any language. Fall back to English whenever you need us to. MAN pages are one of the most underrated tools in Linux, and now you can use the system in Spanish too. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel to grow. And write me in the comment what you think about this, to change the language package for the native speakers. Yeah, that's it. See you next time on this channel, I hope. Cheers. Have a nice day.